Do you like coloring stuff? Had a painting there. My wife is actually coloring it in the other room, but what she doesn't know yet is that she can make money coloring images. And that's exactly what you learn within this video. And no, you don't really have to color images, it's gonna be done automatically with a piece of software. At the beginning of the video, I want to tell you the piece of software isn't Colorize SG. That's not the piece of software. It doesn't work anymore. Look at that. It says it doesn't work as of the 1st of October. I'll show you a new, better way. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And me and my team, I have 2 video editors currently. We try to produce around 2 videos every single day for your value. So subscribe if you're new. And while you're at it, also like this video for the YouTube algorithm. I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. Just comment down below your Instagram username, TikTok username, YouTube account, or just something cool, funny. In the comments, I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar, and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, let's start. As we mentioned in the beginning, the website we will be using is not colorize.sg. The site we can use is actually algorithmia.com. Demos, D-E-M-O-S, algorithmia.com. It's very easy to search for similar websites. What I typed in Google is colorize photos automatically. So there's a lot of other websites. If this doesn't work, there's some apps for your phone, for your tablet, whatever. So there's always going to be another way. If this is patched, there's new ways that will come out eventually. So I want you to have the principle behind the strategy. We want to be colorizing photos automatically. Why do we want to do that? If we go on Fiverr and just type in colorize, you see that some people making quite a bit of offers and making money online with it. For example, this person right here, I restore and colorize your old photos for an awesome preset. Just adding realistic colors, no imperfections, right? Just realistic colors. Something else would cost 10 bucks, just 5 bucks. This person made 5 bucks, 73 orders, and I can imagine most of them are more than that, over 350 bucks. There's a lot of other sellers if you go on Fiverr, 10 bucks, 192 orders, that's like 2 grand. So results can obviously vary, full disclosure here, but it also comes down to your offer. So the way to actually make money by colorizing images is you pick a black and white photo. Just for the purpose of this example, I'm using a free stock images from freeimages.com. I'll download it by just second button and copy link address. I don't even want to download it, just to show you the simplest way. Second button, copy link address, and I'll just paste it here. I'll click on colorize and the magic happens. Look at that, here it is. Here was the before, here's the after. It's colorized 100% automatically. So just for doing something as simple as that, and you can download it and download the comparison. If you want, you can remove this watermark if you think is the right thing to do. And you can go ahead and offer your services on Fiverr, create small gigs, maybe even a website, a Shopify store around it. And you'll find my affiliate link for Fiverr in the description down below. If this quick no BS tutorial helped you out, make sure you give this video a like. It really helps me out. And remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is no medical advice. By the end of this video, make sure to check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.